In this video, I'm going to walk you through the record menu. The first page is for formatting the microSD card. To do this, you just press up 5 times. This is the playback page. Pressing up while it's stopped will play the segment that's selected. Pressing down while a file is playing will stop. Pressing down while it's stopped will go back to the beginning of the segment. Holding up will go to the next segment, and holding down will go to the previous segment. Pressing up while a segment is playing will skim ahead in the recording. Repeated quick presses will skim ahead in larger increments. On the next page, you'll see how much recording time is left on the top and how much recording time is used on the bottom. If Record on Boot Up is turned on, the transmitter will automatically start recording as soon as it's powered up. If it's set to off, you'll have to trigger it manually. If you have Loop Record turned on, it will automatically start overwriting old audio when the card is full, kinda like a dash cam. If it's set to non-loop record, once the card is full, it'll stop recording. On this page, you can set your transmitter to stop recording after a certain amount of time once the battery indicator starts blinking. You can set it to never stop, where it'll never stop recording until it dies, or you can have it set from 1 to 99 minutes.